Hi everyone, just join me in my kitchen. I'm just making a quick dinner tonight. It's called the Easy Tex-Mex Chicken Bake. It's all a one pot or one pan meal. So I'm just going to be finishing off here and shredding my shredding my cheese over my chicken. And then I'm going to be popping it in my oven, which I've already preheated to 400 degrees. You'll notice I've already seared my chicken. And I've just got a bunch of yummy vegetables, some salsa in there as part of my sauce, and of course some spices, and we are going to be good to go. All right, let's just finish this off here, and then we'll be eating in no time. All right, that's probably about all I really need. There we are. I'm just going to sprinkle these around a bit more to make it look a little, everybody gets a bit of cheese, you know. All right, just putting this in the oven. This is our signature cookware line with Pampered Chef. It comes with a removable handle. Take my handle off, pick up my, actually I'll get my mitts here just because the oven is already preheated. Don't want to burn myself. And in it goes. This cookware line can stand temperatures up to 450 degrees. Bon appetit, everyone.